Do you need access to a whole bunch of different size drives, but you also need a few extra ports? Well, this product from SABRENT is going to be the answer to your problems. Hello everyone, my name's Mike, and here at SABRENT we love to make and talk tech. So if that's what you're into, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can stay updated with all our future videos. So let's get into this USB docking station and show you what you get in the box, as well as talk about some of its key features. First of all, you get the warranty card as well as the instruction manual, which will go through some of the setup as well as some troubleshooting guides. We then have the power adapter, a USB 3.0 cable, and finally the docking station itself. So now let's talk about some of the key features of this docking station and show you some of the compatible drives that work with this docking station. At the front of the device, we have three USB 3.0 Type A ports, allowing for up to 5 gigabit per second speeds. And we have a power LED indicator. At the back of the device, we have a USB 3.0 port, we've got a 12 volt DC input, and then a dedicated on and off power switch. And obviously the main feature of this is the SATA connection, which allows for different size SSDs or hard drives. So as you can see, I've laid out some hard drives and SSDs that are compatible with this docking station, and it's really easy to install any of the drives. All that you need to do is just slot it in and away you go. So this one here is a 2.5 inch SSD. Then we have a 2.5 inch hard disk drive, which again, as you can see, slots nice and easily. Now we've got another 2.5 inch hard drive, but this is much thicker, and again this will fit into the drive as well. So if you have a look, as you can see, this fits no problem whatsoever. So if any of you have got a large capacity hard drive that is thicker in nature compared to a thin 2.5 inch hard drive like this one, then this docking station is going to work fantastically with this. And lastly, we have the 3.5 inch hard drive, which as you can see slots in nice and easily and provides a very secure connection. As mentioned earlier, this works with both Windows and Mac, and it's super easy to connect it up to those systems. All that you need to do is connect up the 12 volt DC power adapter to the docking station. Then you want to connect the USB 3.0 cable from the docking station to your desired system, turn on the power switch and connect up the required drive, and you're ready to go. I think that this docking station is absolutely fantastic because not only can you read and write from any of these drives, you've also got an additional 3 USB Type A ports, which allows you to have access to additional devices or peripherals, as well as being able to read and write from a hard drive, which is absolutely fantastic by just using one cable. The build quality of this is absolutely fantastic, and it's nice and compact on any desk setup, meaning that you don't need a lot of space to have all of this functionality. So if this is something that you want to pick up, then I will leave links all down in the description below so you can go ahead and pick one up. But anyway, that's it for today. If you've enjoyed this video, then make sure to smash that like button and also hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can stay updated with all our future videos. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.